Check this out. Waterproof car right here. I'm telling you, it works good on the grass, on the bricks, sand. It lights up, really good power. To Product Zone 2, we're gonna unbox and test out one of the trending Tecnock car right here. It's waterproof, remote waterproof. It should go on like land, beach, sand, and pool and water and stuff. So we're gonna put that to the test. Blue and green, and we got the blue today. Oh, these are the rechargeable battery. You do not have to buy batteries. You got here is the wrist strap remote right here. It goes around your wrist like this. This car is supposed to be lighting up in the nighttime too, so we're gonna do another shorts video in the nighttime. But look how beautiful. It's very lightweight. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. The wheel look like it have some like paddle for the water right here, I guess. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's a really not too light, not too heavy, just perfect. When I opened up the car, there was another extra battery in here, so we have two batteries, so we could put one battery to charge while using the other one. The remote that goes around the wrist is 2 AAA, and we got 2 AA. Oh snap, this thing is fast. So we're gonna put it in there. Oh, look at that. I'm impressed. Really, this is amazing. So we know it could go on ground. We know it could go hot tub. We're gonna test this out in the pool. I'm gonna just dump it in right there. I hope the battery lasts, and let's see. Oh, this thing is pretty cool. Look at this. It is. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Amazing. This thing is amazing. Look at that. Whoa. Kids, my 7-year-old daughter's playing with it right now. She loves it. So far, it's amazing. The kids are having a blast with it. They're controlling it. We're going to have to, as I said, we're going to test it out in the nighttime. I'm going to come back tonight and do a shorts update to show you guys. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the update video when it lights up. And we got a lot of other Amazon and TikTok top trending videos coming up, so do subscribe and get to see here on Product Zone. You get to see the gifts, you get to see if it's good or not, if you're spending your money, is worth it, and if it's the best gifts for anyone. So subscribe for get all the information.